If you're trying to track a DPD parcel, here are the easiest ways to check where your package is and see the latest delivery updates. One of the quickest ways to do that is on Ship24. Just enter your DPD tracking number or reference number in the search bar and click Search. Using Ship24 makes tracking easier because you can quickly check the latest shipment updates in one place without going through multiple steps. You can also track your shipment on the official DPD website for your country or on the local DPD app if it's available. Just open the website or app, enter your parcel number, tracking number, or reference number, and check the latest update on your delivery. Keep in mind that DPD tracking tools can be a little different depending on the country. Some local tracking pages accept a 14-digit parcel number or a reference number, while others may also ask for a delivery postcode or order ID. In some countries, you may also see extra delivery features, like a 1-hour delivery window, live tracking, or parcel redirection options. So whether you track your parcel on Ship24 or through the official DPD website or app, it's easy to stay updated once you have the right tracking details. Visit ship24.com for more tracking guides.